Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Iqbal. Me and my friend are going to present about Resin Infusion VARTM or Vacuum Assisted Resin Transfer Molding. Okay. VARTM is likely the most common acronym of all used in the discussion of low pressure closed mold reinforced composite molding, which is where the composite is molded using a rigid mold to provide part geometry and a thin, flexible membranes over the fiber. Without atmospheric pressure compressing the fiber tight against the rigid mold surface. Other than that, it should be noted, however, that VARTM simply means to add vacuum at the exit vent of the molding tool. Thus, any form of resin transfer molding in which vacuum is applied to the vent would qualify for the VARTM. The aerospace industry will have very high fiber volume composite molded within a rigid mesh, which the fixed cavity mold is closed using a press and the resin injection pressure. Typically, it is less than 100 psi. Yet it could be as high as 600 psi as used to fill the mold and encapsulating the dry fiber within. Okay, that's all for my part for the introduction of VARTM. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Ali Hafizi bin Muhammad Ghanim. VARTM process. The Vacuum Assisted Resin Transfer Molding (VARTM) process has been developed to use effectively during the past 2 decades. This closed mold technique can produce high performances in various types of composites, especially fiber reinforced polymer structures. At a low cost, the method involves primarily putting the fiber or closed fabric in a performance in the desired configuration. Often, these fabrics are held together by a binder and pre-pressed to the mold shape. A top-second mesh mold tool is clamped over the first and vacuum sealed using a deformable vacuum bag. Then the pressure resin is injected into the cavity with the aid of vacuum. The factors for the defect are high temperature, high process temperature, low fiber content, vacuum pressure effect on resin flow, high injection and low injection, and resin evaporation. Defect in VARTM process composite. Defect in the VARTM process advantage. There are different types of defect, like fiber misalignment and void, whereby defect-free manufacturing is impossible. In mass production, void formation is the primary defect. Many factors like resin flow, pressure, aeration, or temperature changes initiate void formation in the process.
Vacuum infusion, also called resin infusion, is a fabrication technique that uses vacuum pressure to drive resin into a laminate. Dry material are laid into the mold and the vacuum pressure is applied before resin is introduced. Once a complete vacuum is achieved, resin is forced into the laminate via vacuum tubing and a vacuum pump or generator. The vacuum infusion process offers a better fiber to resin ratio than hand layup or vacuum bagging. Resin infusion is often used to manufacture composite part because it allows for the production of high quality, lightweight and strong part with a minimal amount of waste. It also a cost-effective method for producing large quantities of part, as the process is easily repeatable and more consistent than other methods of fabrication. Unsaturated polyester resin. Unsaturated polyester resin (UPR) is a type of thermosetting polymer that is commonly used in the manufacturing of composite materials, such as fiberglass reinforced plastic (FRP). It is made by reacting an unsaturated polyester with a vinyl monomer such as styrene, which acts as a cross-linking agent to form a three-dimensional network structure. UPR is a versatile material that can be formulated to have a wide range of properties, including high strength, durability, and resistant to corrosion, chemical, and weathering. UPR is typically supplied in a liquid form and can be cured by the addition of a catalyst, such as peroxide, which initiates the cross-linking reaction. The curing process can take place at room temperature depending on the specific formulation and application requirement. General resin has wide applicability and strong applicability. Its FRP products have good mechanical strength and high elongation, which are suitable for various hand layup ordinary FRP products.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Iqbal Bazirisham, and I'm gonna tell about the summary for this, alright. So the method involves primarily putting the fiber or cloth fabric in the preform of the desired configuration. A vacuum bag is applied over the preform. Then the pressurized resin is injected into the cavity with the aid of a vacuum. So for the VARTM, is beneficial for large size part and provides a lot of flexibility in material selection. So the process is not under control once the vacuum is engaged in shifting of fiber. Voids are very common defects.